I'm at James's house, and we're going to do a 6, possibly 10-foot red cedar fence. The kickboard would be on the bottom, and it could be anywhere from 6 to 12 inches. We're going to do a top rail. It's going to match the fencing that I have videotaped or took pictures on another roll. We're going to get rid of this wrought iron fence. He's going to do the wood, like the fence down the street, all the way up to this portion. He wants to replace this with a wood fence, possibly a metal frame, one lock on the outside, a knobbed. It'd be a 5-foot. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come up. We're going to build the fence on top of this brick right here, this mortar. So it's going to be out on this mortar. Right now it's behind it. It's going to be in between these two brick pillars to right here. And then it's going to continue on the other side from here to the other side. Then it's going to continue on this side of the brick, and this mortar is going to be taken out. He can do that and or leave in and step ladder it, but he wants to remove it. I think it'd look cleaner anyway. We're going to probably have to put a pretty big footboard or kick plate on this to get the height up, but and it doesn't have to be even. We have to give him suggestions. So continue all the way down along the property line. So this is it right here. He's going to have whatever crepe myrtles need to be trimmed to put in this fence. We're going to do it. We're going to go all the way down this property line to, he said we could end it wherever we wanted, but it's going to go all the way down the driveway, even with the fence that's existing right now. It's actually going to be out a little bit because that's behind the mortar, and now we're going to put it on top. It's approximately even with this tree. So if you come on the other side and look, you can kind of tell where the line is. It's like right, he said he'd trim this tree, this myrtle, and it will go all the way to the fence line, the existing bricks.